Okay, hello. So here is what used to be the fuel rail on these 85 Jaguar XJ6. I can't see too well, forgive me. Here are the plugs that go on the top. Can't get it to focus. Okay. And there are, they look okay when I look at them again. This one's kind of rough, but the connections seem pretty intact. Same thing with this one. Just drop that. This is rough, but it seems like the cords are still there. Apologies for this camera. Hopefully I can get a better one.
Oh, so deep. What happened to the engine? Are you checking out it?
There it is. So here's the fuel injector. I
Why
replaced
the gum on it?
The bottom bushing. That's what that would be called.
Why the gum paper on it?
And I do know that it all goes here. Which looks fine. So the question I was having was, okay, this tubing here, it originally goes here. I'm trying to actually find where it goes. See, I don't know where this tube goes. I'm pretty sure it's with the fuel housing. If you can see it there. And then there's another tube similar like this one here, which is part of fuel rail, which connects to the fuel rail as well. This is tubing that I have purchased to replace, which is this tube here. I'm sorry, that's the bad one. Here's the good one. Okay. Shoot. Now, I didn't know if it was worth trying to replace this tubing. I don't know where these tubes go. They look like the similar type of tubes that I'm going to replace, and they are in bad shape. Outside of that, I do believe this should start, but this is my wiring situation. I don't know if this is a help to look over it like this. So the problem with this is that it starts but does not, turn over. Or it turns over, but it does not hold. It chokes out. Then again, like I said, gauges aren't working. No speedometer. I don't know what fuel I have, and these don't work as well either. Nothing works here. I'm busy right now. Hold on, okay? Nothing works here. The fan doesn't even turn on. Windows don't work as well. I attempted to try to, I guess, find a point of where the wiring, is not getting a connection. But I think I definitely bit off too much I could chew. You see here, I took this. This is all what I've done. I do still have the parts in this car, still in pretty good shape, and just seeing if I don't know, anything that can be helpful. I didn't want to make this too long. I was trying to get this out. As you can see, I have a few things I'm juggling, so finally got it out. Please let me know.